Hi, and welcome to the all-new ciopulse admin portal. My name is Leo, and I'm excited to give you a quick tour today. Our mission is to make IT service feedback simple, insightful, and action-oriented. With this new portal, we've completely reimagined how administrators see and understand their data. This is the biggest improvement we have ever introduced to ciopulse, and we are incredibly excited about it. So let's jump right in and explore it. On the left, you'll find a new navigation bar, clean, consistent, and organized by what you actually do in ciopulse. You can access dashboards, manage surveys, review feedback, or fix data, all with just one click. And right here in the center is your new dashboard home, your single place to see how your service experience is performing. Instead of hunting through submenus, your most important metrics are now front and center, showing engagement levels, satisfaction scores, and feedback trends at a glance. Let's explore what each of these insights means, and how they can help you keep improving your service experience. By the way, you can switch between dark and light mode anytime using the toggle in the top right corner of the screen. I personally prefer dark mode. It's easier on the eyes, but now you can choose whichever style suits you best. Let's start at the top of the dashboard. Here you'll find your core experience metrics, giving you an instant snapshot of how your service is performing this month. The first card shows the total number of survey responses, a quick indicator of how engaged your users are in providing feedback. The more responses you collect, the richer your insight into what's working and what needs attention. Next, you'll see the breakdown of your promoters, passives, and detractors. Promoters are your strongest supporters, users who had a great experience and are likely to recommend your service. Passives sit in the middle, generally satisfied but not fully enthusiastic yet. And detractors are those who had a less positive experience. Their feedback is often where you'll find the most valuable opportunities to improve. Together, these three groups form the foundation of your Net Promoter Score, or NPS, one of the most powerful indicators of customer sentiment in IT service delivery. Now let's scroll down to the next section. Here, you'll find two powerful visualizations that make your service trends instantly clear. On the left, we have the response counts and overall NPS chart. This shows how many survey responses you've received each month, alongside your overall Net Promoter Score. It's a great way to spot patterns. For example, you might see engagement peaks after major incidents or service rollouts, or notice how changes in your support process affect customer satisfaction over time. On the right, you'll find the NPS by department view. This breakdown helps you understand which service areas are delighting users, and which ones may need more attention. Each bar represents a department, and you can hover over the graph to see a detailed breakdown. Together, these two charts give you both the big picture and the granular view, helping teams connect trends to real-world outcomes. When you scroll down further, you'll see 4 more sections, each giving you a different perspective on your service experience. On the left, we start with interactive dashboards. These links take you directly into your detailed Power BI reports, like key driver analysis, service recovery performance, and relationship survey results. Each one opens an interactive view, so you can explore trends and drill down into what's driving your NPS results in real time. Just to the right, there's Recent Activity, a live feed of the latest survey responses coming in from your users. Here you can quickly see who responded, their score, and which department it relates to. Here, you'll find top performers departments ranked by their Net Promoter Score. It's an easy way to recognize which teams are consistently delighting customers and celebrate the wins that make a difference. And finally, the Needs Attention panel. This area highlights any issues that might require immediate action. For example, a sudden drop in NPS, a decline in response rate, or data errors that need review. Together, these sections give you both the big picture and the operational detail, helping you stay on top of what's going well and where improvement efforts should focus. Every time you log in, this page gives you a full, at-a-glance pulse of your IT service experience. Now let's take a quick look at the left-hand navigation. The menu is now divided into 2 main areas, one for core platform management and one for insight and reporting tools. The top section includes everything you use to manage your instance, things like setup, preferences, and survey administration. Below that, you'll find everything related to analytics and reporting, dashboards, live feedback, and management reports. We won't go into each section in detail today, but it's worth highlighting a couple of areas that we have improved compared to the previous version. One section worth highlighting is the live feedback slider. Many of our clients use this feature to display live feedback directly to their service desk teams, often on a wall-mounted screen inside the help desk room. It's a great way to keep teams connected to what customers are saying in real time. In this new version, we've added far more customization options. For example, you can now define the score range you want to display. If you'd like to show only positive feedback, you can simply set the range from 8 to 10. You also have full control over the information shown on the slider, whether to display the customer name, agent name, or other details. When you're happy with your configuration, just click Launch Slider in New tab, and your live feedback view will open instantly. One of the biggest highlights of the new portal is the introduction of Pulse AI, the first step toward bringing AI-powered intelligence directly into your ciopulse experience. This marks the beginning of a new era for ciopulse, where your feedback data doesn't just inform you, but actively helps you make smarter, faster decisions. Administrators now have a range of options to customize how AI is used within their organization. Let me show you how this works. You can find the settings under Instance Setup, Pulse AI Assistance. When you visit this section for the first time, you'll see an opt-in prompt inviting you to enable Pulse AI. We take data protection seriously, so before you activate it, you can review the AI usage and data policy to understand exactly how your data is handled. Once enabled, you'll unlock the first of several upcoming AI features, starting with Monthly Report Intelligence, which automatically generates executive-level summaries and highlights key satisfaction trends for you. And that brings us to the end of our quick tour of the new ciopulse admin portal. We hope you're as excited as we are about the new design, the simplified navigation, and the first wave of AI-powered intelligence features through Pulse AI. We'll continue building new capabilities to help you get even more value from your feedback. Thank you for watching, and for being part of the ciopulse community. We can't wait to hear your feedback and keep improving together. See you inside the new portal.